Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you two more examples. Actually, the one that I plan to do 4 questions in one video, but the first 2 already too long. So let's get started. Okay, find the area enclosed by these 2 curves. Okay, so this one is a surd function, and this one is just a straight line. Okay, so why don't we sketch them over here? Alah, too small. I think something like that. Okay. Okay. Now, 2 surd x is just something like this. Okay. So this is 2 surd x, and then y-x is just a straight line like this. Alamak. Boleh lah tu. Y equals x. Alamak. Cannot. Y equals x. Okay. Better. Now, the area enclosed by these 2 curves is the one inside here. You see the one that I shade in green lines over here. So we have the area of A starts from this point to this point, so we have to find the intersection point. Okay, so how to find intersection point? Simple. We just make the 2 equations equal. So in this case, it's a square root, right? Easy to make it square like that, square both side, and then I bring the x squared over, so 4x minus x squared equals 0. So x 4 minus x equals 0. So what we have is x equals 0, x equals 4. Okay, so the intersection is over here. Clearly this one already know lah, because it's origin. Okay, this one that we have to figure out lah, which is 4. So we know the area enclosed by these 2 curves starts from x0 and ends at x equals 4. Okay, so we can integrate by, we can find the area over here. Okay, we want from 0 to 4. So 0 and 4 are the values of x. So we are integrating with respect to x. Okay, so with respect to x means upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is the blue one, is 2 surd x, and then we minus by the lower curve, which is the x itself. Okay, so make sure everything are the same value of the variable. So all are the x's, so we can continue. So this one maybe I change a little bit first. Okay, like that, easier. 0. Okay, and then this one 2x3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus x squared over 2. Okay, and then the apa nama ni 40. Okay, maybe I tidy up this one lah. Okay, 3 4. Okay, so let's substitute 4 power 3 over 2 over 3 minus 4 squared over 2. Okay, minus 0. I think, yes, this one 0 minus 0. Okay, so let me use calculator first. 4 correct. 4 power 3 over 2. 4 power 3 over 2 3. Okay, close some more. Minus 4 16 over 2 8, right? Okay, so the answer is 2.67 units squared. Okay, so let me so this is the answer lah. Okay, let's move on to the second one, the last one. Okay, find the area enclosed by y. Oh wait, actually this question, this graph, we can solve with respect to y as well. Okay, so a equals dy. We can, but we have to express these 2 function with respect to y first. Okay, so the blue one here, we can have y over 2 square root of x, and x equals y squared over 4. Okay, so that is the function. Now, and also we have to find the limit over here. Okay, the upper limit. We know the lower limit is 0 also if we want to do with respect to y. Well, we have to know that one also, we can substitute 4 inside the function. Okay, so we take this one lah, the y lah, y equals to 4 lah, right? Okay, 4. So this one is also 4. So same limit coincidentally. Now we want to integrate a with respect to y, so we need to minus the right curve over here, the red one. The right curve is y, okay, minus the left curve. Left curve is the one in blue lah, which is the new function that we discover over here. So y squared over 4. Okay, so so y squared over 2 minus y cubed over 12, I guess, 4, 0. Okay, now this one is 16 over 2, 8 lah, minus 4 over 3 over 12. Okay, and then minus 0, 0, 0 also. So 8 minus 8 minus, what's this, 4 power 3 something big. Okay, so as you can see, we get the same answer as well. Okay, supposed to be lah, because we just use different tools to achieve to find the same area. Okay, it's just that the right hand side of my working over here, the one I circle in highlight, yellow highlighter, is with respect to x, and the one on the left is by integrating with respect to y. Okay, so let's go to the second one, the last one. Okay, find the area enclosed by y 2x and y equals x cubed over 8. Now this one is just straight line going up towards to the right. Okay, while this one is a cubic function, something like that, because it's positive, it's something like that. So let's do it. Let's sketch the function. Okay, now that is like that, and then that is something like that, I guess. Correct? Correct. Okay, now as we can see here, there are 3 intersection points. Okay, the middle one is a no-brainer lah. It's at origin. Okay, and the other 2 that we have to figure out. So what we have to do, we just need to equal the equation for both equation, and then we figure out. Now I want to get rid of that 8, so become 16 minus x cubed equals 0. Like that better. X outside, 16 minus x equals 0, a square, sorry. And then x, 4 minus x, 4 plus x equals 0. So x equals 0, x equals 4, x equals minus 4. So we already figure out this is minus 4 and this is 4. Okay, so the area that we want to find is from minus 4 to 4, and then enclosed by both curve is this one. Okay, and wait, I think I sketch it wrong, tapi tak apalah, more or less like this. Okay, and then the other one is, I use different color, orange lah, A2. Okay, so as you can see, A1 and A2 have different functions, as their upper curve and the lower curve is very different for each one of them. That is why we cannot find we cannot just find from minus 4 to 4, okay, with respect to x, and then we just we see the red one is on top, right? So we just find x cubed over 8, and then we minus with the one in blue, 2x, from minus 4 to 4. Cannot, this is wrong. Okay, so we have to separate them. We have to separate them. So let's do it separately. So a equals a1, a1 I use green lah, easy for you to look. A1, okay, plus a2. Okay, now, so for A1, we integrate from minus 4 lah, to 0. Okay, and then we integrate with respect to x. Now, as you can see, the upper curve is the one in purple, x cube minus 8 over 8, x cube over 8. Okay, and then minus the blue one. Okay, the blue one is the straight line of y equals to x, so 2x over here. Okay lah, not that long anyway. Okay, now then let's move on to A2. A2 is integrate from 0 to 4. Okay, tambah in the middle. Okay, and then dx lah also, because 4 and 0 is value of x. And then the upper curve for A2 is the blue line of 2x, and then we minus with the purple line of purple curve of x cube over 8. So this is the correct one. So we just follow through, just calculate everything. That one, I use green lah, everything. Okay, so x power 4, 32, 16 lah, correct. Minus 2 over 3x, minus x squared lah. Okay, and then close, 0 minus 4. Okay, plus the orange one, 2x x squared minus x power 4, 32, and then 4, 0. Okay, so I pause the video for a while to figure out the value with my calculator. Yeah, so this is the values I got. So 8 plus 8 is 16 units squared. Okay, so thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum, have a good day.